Hi Sabra. I threw together this quick screencast-o-matic video of how you can post your video to the share your design forum that you have for your assignment this week, and also how to add a print screen of the sandbox course that you're going to be designing your course in. Okay, so let's work on the posting the welcome video. So you already made the video, you sent it for captioning and all that. So go to your YouTube account and get the URL of that video. Okay, so once you have that video in memory on your computer, you would then go into the forum. I'm going to click on mine, which says course announcements, but pretend that's the share your design forum. So you click on that forum, okay, and then you're going to add a new topic. You're going to give it a name of welcome to the course video, okay. You're going to click down in this box here, and then you're going to go over to the media button. It's the one that looks like a film strip thing with, so you click on that media. Then you already have the URL in memory, so paste that into there, and then give it a name here, welcome to the course, okay, and insert the media, then go down and post to forum. So this is the forum that we just posted. I'm going to click on it, and there's the video, and when the person clicks on it, it's going to start playing, but you're probably not going to be able to see it in this screencast shot, but that's how you would post the video into the forum, okay? So now I'm going to show you how you get your print screen. So you would go to the shell that you're working in, and I don't know what kind of computer you have, if you have a Windows computer or a Mac, but basically you would just do whatever function to get a print screen, and then you have to save that print screen as a file. Preferably put it on your desktop so it's easy to find, call it screenprint or whatever, okay? But once you have the screen print that you want saved as a file onto your desktop, you go back into the forum, okay? You're going to add a new topic. You're going to call it screen print of my course, or whatever you want as a description, okay? You're going to click in here. Then you're going to click on this image. It looks like a mountain with the sun up there. That's the image icon. You click on that. This is going to come up. You're going to browse the repository, okay? And you would go to upload a file. You click on browse, and I have mine defaulted to the desktop, but you might have to search whatever folder or your desktop. Once you find the image that you saved, you click on it, you say open, then upload this file. It's going to ask you over here, describe this image for someone who cannot see it. So this is for the visually impaired, so you would put image of screen print or whatever, okay? And then you say save the image and then post to the forum. So there's my screen print of the course. I'm going to click on it, and as you can see, I just copied out of my course the couple of the weeks there in the video, but that's how you would paste the image, the print screen of your course. So hopefully this kind of gives you a help to get your assignment done. All right, and good luck. Take care.